Number 5 is asking which of the following is not a factor of this function. So we're looking for the one that is not a factor. There's a couple ways to do this. Since there's a small enough number, like only three possible choices, you can test each one of them using synthetic division to see which one will not give you a 0. Because if it's a 0, it will be a factor. So you're looking for not a factor. So that would be looking for which one is not going to be a 0. Second way to do is just to do the whole thing from beginning to end, factoring everything and testing the possible 0, which is the long way. So it depends on what you feel like doing. So I will go ahead and test the first choice. So x plus 5 means the factor is actually negative 5. And we will see what happens when we use synthetic division to simplify this. So first step is bring down 2, multiply, we have negative 10. Combining, we have negative 2, multiply by negative 5, we have 10. Combining, we have negative 12, and multiplying, we have a 60, and that will give us a 0. So in fact, negative 5 is a factor, but we're looking for the one that is not a factor, so we're going to cross that out because negative 5 is a factor. Next, we're going to test b. So using the same numbers as the coefficients, and we will test x equals negative 3 is actually a factor, which is going to give you a solution of 3. Bring down 2, multiply 3, it's going to give you 6. Combining, it is 14 times 3 is 42. And combining, we have positive 20, and that will give us 60. And we will bring down and combine, have a 0 again. So that means 3 is actually a factor. So again, that is gone. And that would only leave the choice of C. So automatically, by default, C is the answer. But just to verify it, we're going to test it also, just to show you that this is not going to work out. So let's put 6 out there because that is what the factor is supposed to be. Bring down 2, multiply, we have 12. Combining, we have 20. And multiply it by 6 again, we have 120. And combining, we will have 98 times 6 will give us 588. And finally, minus 60 will give us a positive 528. As you can see, this is not equal to 0, therefore this is not a factor. So 6 is confirmed that it is not a factor, so therefore the answer is choice C. End of problem.